The one thing I will never stop doing for myself is treating myself to cool experiences because there are other easier ways of doing things. And one of these experiences would be cooking on a hot stone. I completely love the experience. Even though there is a lot of prep time in trying to get this to come together, I really like the experience of sitting down and cooking my meat one by one. I've had a lot of comments about cooking the meat, using butter, using salt, salting one side, not salting. Is it cooked enough? Listen, do you? I like doing this because it makes me feel good. I like all the extraness about it, and I like the fact that I get to cook this just the way I want with nobody telling me how to. So being completely in control of this experience for myself, I feel is a vibe. This will make a good date night, a stay at home little vibe for your loved one or for yourself. I tend to do this for myself. So like I said, treat yourself to some experiences sometimes. And just because it takes a little bit of more effort makes it all the better. Why settle for ordinary when you can have vibes like this? Yes, I can cook this in a pan. Yes, I can cook this in the oven. I could do it in a skillet. I could do that. I could do this. But this is the way I want to do this one. This is cool. Look at it. Yes, there's all this extra cleanup. Yes, I had to heat up my stone for quite a bit in the oven before I was able to use it. But the vibes, baby. The girls who get it, right? Like what's understood don't need to be explained. So if you're into vibes, if you're into, setting the mood, something a little sexy, this is it. Don't let nobody talk you out of it. Don't let the price scare you because you can use this over and over. I love filming myself using this. I like making people jealous. Like, look at it. You're going to stare at it because it looks good and you get to switch up the different meats you're using. So far, I cooked on this some scallops, shrimp, and steak at least 3 times. So yeah, steak is my favorite thing to cook on here. I don't regret it at all. It stays hot for about, I say a good 25 minutes. It stays hot longer than you actually need it to. I usually don't cook more than this one set of meat on this stone, so it was plenty. The way I had it set up this time is that I made my filet with my salad, so it was actually a full meal and totally worth the cook and prep time.